MarketStream.live. My name is Joe Cusick from the Cusick Group, securities offered by MoneyBlock. Now, taking a look at Japan, in the Nikkei, added 1% overnight. We had Panasonic, Sony Financial, Nippon Sheet Glass, as well as Mitsubishi Motors climbing between 2.4% and 8.4%. Now, Toshiba fell 8.6% after it officially booked a $6.3 billion write-down related to its U.S. nuclear unit that they have exposed here in the United States. Now, EWJ is trading at 51.21. We're going to watch that $50.50 level very closely for EWJ, the Japanese ETF. Break there would be negative for the bulls. Now, taking a look at China. Shanghai Composite was unable to take advantage of its early gains, and it closed down 0.2% at the lower end of this session. Traders seem to be uninspired by the fact that the PBOC, the People's Bank of China, gave a healthy injection of capital into the markets. We saw that yesterday. Macro news was very light across the mainland yesterday, which was today for us, Wednesday. But new yuan loan figures are coming out and surprising. It was notable that it was the second highest on record. That means that and with the CPI rising to the highest and fastest pace since 2011, it looks like the People's Bank of China is not going to be aggressive on cooling this down. FXI is trading at 38.24, and we're going to watch that 36.5, 37 range on FXI, but the bulls are clearly in control, and there is some positive momentum going on there. That flowed into Hong Kong. Hong Kong's Hang Seng was up 1.2%, levels we haven't seen in probably 4 months since October. Financials had a very strong day, and again, that could be with the reaction to the new loan figures that came out. But China Construction Bank, Bank of China, ICBC, as well as Bank of East Asia, all jumping between 2.5% and 4.9%. As I've noted for the last 6 months, if the People's Bank of China starts to tighten up loans, that's going to be negative. But they obviously are injecting capital and allowing maybe the inflation to increase there, so to speak. EWH is trading at 2140, this Hong Kong ETF. We're going to watch this one very closely at that $21 level. That's going to be a critical level for the bulls to hold. And finally, India. Sensex lost about 0.7%. And we had a pretty big loss by a large cap named Tata Motors. Fell 10.3% after reporting a sharp decline in its quarterly profits. Sun Pharma also lagged, falling behind about 4.3% in reaction to below consensus results. Tata Steel, Hero MotoCorp, as well as Suzuki and Dr. Reddy's Labs all lost between 0.9% and 2.6%. EPI, the Indian ETF, is trading at 22.21. Let's watch this one closely, folks. We're going to watch that 2075 level very close to see if that's broken. If it is, that would be negative. But again, the bulls have been in clear control in India as well as in Asia in general. All right, folks, that's it right now for the Overnight Action Report for Asia. Join me at 8:45 Eastern Time. We'll take a look at Europe here at MarketStream.live. Take care.